Come in. Sit down. Do you know why you're here?
Obviously.
Don't get lippy with me, young lady.
Well, you're not having my phone.
I'm giving you the option to give me your phone or to be excluded.
Well, you're not having it. Fine.